Hello everyone, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Ganiva and this is Ganiva Edge channel. You are welcome. Now these are mindsets that keeping people broke. When I mean broke is simply being financially ruined or you are not having money. Now, mindsets are things that you always think of because what you think of is what you are. The more you think of something, it becomes habit of you and you keep on thinking. That's why you need to be particular of the things that you keep because the more you think of about these things, they keep you simply broke. The first one I have on my list I've putting down here is lack of wealth consciousness. If you don't have the mindset of wealth, then my dear, this can actually make you broke. If you want to know what wealth consciousness is about, I have a video on the channel and I will share it in the description box down below so you get access to them easily. Now, let me give you a brief meaning of what world consciousness is about. Now, world consciousness is about the mindset and the awareness that you can attract and create wealth. And you believe that you have the ability to get rich. Now, if you don't have all these things that I just said, then it means that you're having a mindset that can make you broke. The second one I have here is the fear of taking risks, either investment, starting a business, a failure mindset, or even saving. All these things can actually make you broke. So don't be afraid to take risk. Like, I'm making videos here and I'm having a background noise because my building is very close to the road and many cars passes by. It doesn't mean that I should stop making videos on YouTube. It doesn't mean that I should give myself an excuse without taking any risk because I don't know how and when this car noise will be in my videos, but I'm taking the risk to do them. This is an example that I'm giving you. So stop giving an excuses for yourself and just take the risk, because if you don't take the risk, you won't be able to break the shell to get what is inside the shell. The third one I have here is living beyond your means. People live beyond their means and they end up being broke. So please, if you're kind of person you have that mindset to always impress people, you need to stop. And sometimes I know you don't want to impress people, but you want to live that nice and beautiful and luxurious lifestyle. I got you. But you need to understand that living by your means would help you to get more money, to get being richer. So you need to live by your means. Don't spend all your money on things, especially to impress people, because the people that you're impressing them, they're not looking at you because they're also busy impressing people. So please do what? Live by your means. Don't buy things that at the end you'll be owing here and there. The fourth one I have here is relying solely on one stream income. I am a student. I sell at the market. I'm a small YouTuber and I am a mini importation business woman, a lady, and I also teach people, so I'm importation coach as well. So I have a lot of income stream, and of course my parents are also taking care of me, so they are also my income stream as well. So if you want to be richer and you want to be wealthier and that big, because you also deserve it, then you need to have many stream income. You might be older watching me and your parents are not taking care of you. You need to have a lot of stream income because my parents are still taking care of me because I'm still younger. So you need to have a lot of stream income. Know that you are getting your income from three or maybe two and you budget them. I'm investing this, I'm saving that, and don't spend beyond your means. That means that when you get the money, then you spend it just in a few hours that you can say. Because if you don't have a lot, why would you spend a lot? The fifth one I have here on my list is ignoring opportunities for growth. You resist to change and you fail to recognize new income streams. We have a lot of business ideas on YouTube. Many people are teaching online programs and you can just learn some. Don't ignore them. You are taking that course to get that income. When I'm teaching importation and I first teach the free version of it, you can see a lot of people really joining. But when it gets to the paid masterclass, you can see a lot of them, about 80% not involving themselves in the masterclass. But you can actually see them that they really want to do this and get stream money from that part, but they just don't want to pay. So if you are someone that you ignore opportunities for growth, please do well to take actions every day. Recognize that stream income that can help you to earn money, and also take the courses, take that program, and sometimes they're even free of charges, but people have decided not to join. So if you're someone watching me and you are not aware of this, I am really reminding you to always stop ignoring growth opportunities and learn all the ways that can help you to be not broke. The sixth one I have here is avoiding financial planning. That is financial goals, money management as well, financial planning. So sometime in my life I just realized I was spending a lot of money, and I was like, well, I can spend, I don't want to mention because I don't think that's actually important, but I was spending a lot of money on things that I think it is not necessary at the moment, and I wasn't planning my money. Of course, I was all set, planning my dreams, planning my goals, planning my next move, of course, with God's support. But I wasn't planning my money. So if you're not planning your money, please start planning your money just like you plan your goals. Because the more you plan, the more you don't spend anyhow, and this would not make you broke. Trust me. The seventh one I have here is believing what is for others, reserved for some people, and you, wealth is not for you, so you are okay being broke. If you have this kind of mindset, please, you really need to stop, because we all deserve to be rich. Wealth is not for some people, we all deserve to be rich. And if you have this mindset, please stop, because we all can achieve just like everyone is achieving. And focus on I can do with spirit. Focus on affirming words into your life that you can achieve just like everyone do. Now the eighth one I have here is view money as inherently bad. People think money is bad, they see money to be evil, and when they see people also being rich, they see those people to be unethical. This you are doing would actually create something in your subconscious mind, and you, my darling, you are not going to attract wealth, because you are already telling your mind that wealth is evil. So if you are someone you think that wealth is for others, if you are someone you see wealth as evil thing, you need to stop, because when you get that money, you know how it will feel. It's going to feel good. So why criticize people that they have money and they are just spending it, because they made it by themselves and are spending it by themselves. So if you have all this kind of mindset that I said, please do well to change them. These simple things are keeping you broke, and we keep on doing these things and it has to stop. Please, because the more you think of, the more you attract. And I recently posted something in a community that your mind is a fertile soil. What you plant on the fertile soil, either being positive or negative, would yield a result. So think positively and implant positive things on that fertile soil, because the fertile soil doesn't know that this is positive, this is negative. It is you that you know that it is positive, it is negative. So you need to give that fertile soil a positive one to yield good result as well. These are the things that I have that can help you to be that rich era that will stop you being broke. So if you have this mindset, please do what? Change all of them and start thinking that you can do it, thinking that what is for you, thinking of what consciousness always, and always taking actions, seeking opportunities, not ignoring opportunities, and everything that I said here. If you have anything else that you would like to add up in the comment section, please do what? Add up, because I really want to know something from you as well, because everything I shared here was from my perspective, and I want to also know your perspective as well. Please do what? Also like this video to support me and subscribe to the channel as well. Share this video to someone who needs it, and also comment, let me know what I didn't say you think will help us as well. I'll see you in the next video, because I always want to make new videos each day, impacting on someone just like you guys also impact on me as well. Now if you want to check out my other videos, please do what? Check them, that they are on the screen. So do what? Check them out. It will really help you as well. Carnival Edge, deep insight and real success. I will see you in the next video. Until then, please stay very, very focused.